Okay, so we came back to the Angad Arts Hotel in downtown St. Louis. We've done a couple of reviews of different rooms and the hotel itself. But each room has basically a color theme. And I believe this is our first time staying in a red room. We've stayed in blue, green, yellow, and so this is finally our last color. So you do have the nice king bed. There's an option with like 2 queens, but majority of the rooms do seem to be a king bed. Pretty standard bathroom going on. Hit the lights. So you have a nice little shower. Vanity, again, seeing the color scheme throughout. Again, just kind of seeing the beds. You either have a couch or some sort of chair in here. We've seen both. Seems like the desk always have the nice little ghost chairs, the nice little color, like clear ones. Always got some sort of closet. And then we always have a view of downtown St. Louis. Sometimes we can see the arch, sometimes we can't. Just kind of depends a little bit on what angle of the room we get. It's also right next to the Symphony and the Fox Theater, so there's always like great stuff going on down here. Red Flag's not very far away either, so lots and lots of options. So check out our full reviews and hope that you have a good time staying here if you ever come and visit. Thanks.